Hi! In front of me is VIVO V23 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and installing Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist Developer, the free version. When you find it, install it, open it, and to mute the music, click on the bottom left corner. Now select this gear at the top left corner. Hit I accept in First Things First pop-up and adjust all of those options however you want to. You can even click on presets over here and set up the best one for you. Just tap on the prettiest one. Choose yes in the pop-up to load it. And tap on this X at the top right corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right corner. Click on Set as Live Wallpaper and hit yes in Use App Settings pop-up. Finally, tap on Apply and decide where you wish to apply it, on home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I tap and go back, I can state my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!